Installing a nasal face embrace. I am Louise Bernard, creator of the Facembrace. As you can see, the Facembrace is a very thin and light membrane. Its unique design allows your skin to breathe while being protected. Facembrace is available in small, medium, and large sizes. 2 models are available: the deflector model, which provides an unobstructed view at all times, and the eye flap model, which reduces ambient light. Let's look at the steps for fitting your Facembrace, which you can find in your user manual. Step 1. Make sure your breathing mask is working properly. First of all, your breathing mask should fit properly and be adjusted to your face. Step 2. Select the right size Facembrace. You need to ensure that your Facembrace is the right size for you. To check that it is, make sure you leave enough space to put 1 finger between your ear and the Facembrace once it is fitted on your face. Your eyelashes should not touch the Facembrace, and it should go over the tip of your nose. Step 3. Position the Facembrace on your face. Position the Facembrace on the top of your face. Install the elastic bands behind your ears and center it. The Facembrace should lie flat on the slope of your nose and should, at the same time, pass across the outside corner of your nostrils as shown here. Step 4. Fasten the nozzle of your breathing mask and secure with the straps. Once the Facembrace is in position, place the breathing mask nozzle on the Facembrace's nasal pad. Hold the nozzle and the Facembrace in place while you secure the straps around your head. Then check the positioning of the Facembrace. It should all be under the straps of your mask. Step 5. Check the positioning of your Facembrace and your breathing mask. The straps of your mask should not touch your skin, and there should be enough space to put 1 finger between the Facembrace and your ear. Make sure the Facembrace always passes across the outside corner of your nostrils and does not come in contact with your eyelashes or eyes. For more comfort. Once the mask is in position, you can remove the positioning elastic bands from behind your ears. I wish you a great day of well-being.